very stoked. All right, we are looking at a 2023 Acura Integra. This car, I got it as is. Some people will say sight unseen, but usually they do go and check it out. So I did go, I went to check it out, and this is exactly how I bought it. Let me drop down this. This is exactly the way I bought it, and the cool thing about it is only has front damage and a little bit of fenders which got destroyed as well, but otherwise the car runs, the car drives, and it's only the front end that got damaged. So I'm very pumped about this build. It's not something that will take me more than a year to fix. This is really just me sourcing the parts, and we should be good to go. Now I am going to assess the damages that we have. We can see out of the box that the front end is definitely gone. We do need to get this new part. I do see that the crash bar is also crashed, which is the bar support is crashed. That's something that I do have to replace. I do see that the condenser is also messed up, so I have to fix that. Otherwise, this is the only thing we can see visually. The next thing is to scan the car and see what different codes we get, because of course when something like this happens, some electronic will start complaining as well. But we can also see we do have this box also just popped out. Actually not popped out, but it's cracked, so we have to fix that as well. So quite a lot to do, and let me go ahead, remove everything in front and assess properly the damages that we have, and we will take it from there. Inside here we've got the dashboard, regular Integra dashboard, and we've got 6,735 miles on the clock. And we do have the airbag that got deployed in front for the driver, and also the airbag underneath there on the legs. You also have the airbag that got deployed. So those are the only two stuff which got real damage in the car. Otherwise everything else looks about all right, but of course we do have this to fix. I have to fix that, not a big deal. This will come later, because the most important is to get this car back on the road as soon as I can. I'm not able to scan this car because my OBD adapter does not seem to be compatible with this car, so I will have to find something that is compatible. Otherwise the car looks clean, the car smells brand new, no crazy smell, everything looks good. The back looks really good, very spacious. I am very, very happy about this purchase, honestly. Everything looks just about as I would want the car to be. So this is a win for me. Very, very good about this. We can check the roof. The roof is working. There you have it. Oh, very cool. The sunroof works now that we're getting into summer. It's very good. Okay. All right. So the car is tinted. That's how I bought it. So I don't know if it came from factory tinted, but it is tinted on both sides, the front and the rear. But the way I'm looking at it, it does seem that it is tinted like this from the factory, because I can touch here, I can touch it very easily. So that looks like it's tinted from the factory. All right, that's what we have here. I don't have a scanner, and I don't want to waste time for me to do the stuff I would like to do, so that I can speed up the process and know the damages we have in front and what we're gonna do with it. So with that, Let me get working outside. From the rear, this is how it looks like. You can see that there are no damages. We do have parking sensors, so this car came with all the tech possible. It only has 200 horsepower, not a big deal. The body looks intact otherwise, and I'm very, very happy about this. Okay, so let's see if we can. Yeah, I don't see a way that I can repurpose this one, but we have a few things that we are going to need: the horn, the lock mechanism, which is still good, and this support, wherever this support is. This one, this bar seems about still okay. If it's bent or whatever, we can strengthen it and it should be fine, but this part here, we do need that. Have to look for this part. All right, and here we are. So you can see that we got quite a few things completed. We removed the front, and this is what we have left with. I'm very happy that this one didn't get damaged. This one is not a big deal. It's easy to repair this part because all you have to do is to preheat it, hit it, and then put it back into position, and we should be good to go. However, we noticed that the crash bar is gone, and I have to fix that. So I have two options: either spend $400 for a new one, or take this to a repair shop so that they can strengthen it for me. I am going to remove it right now, and tomorrow I will see if the repair shop, they can help me to strengthen it. If I can spend $50 or $100 to strengthen this, that would be really good. Otherwise, if it's more than $100, I am going to buy a new one. I am not going to spend $200 to get this one strengthened up if I can just spend $300 and get a new one, right? So that's where we are. This is repairable. It's aluminum, but it's repairable. Let's see how people can do it. If not, it's a $400 for that. I do need a new radiator and a new condenser. New radiator, new condenser. So pretty much these are the damages we have. We have the bumper, we have the fenders, we have the radiator, we have the condenser, and the intercooler is good. I am still going to reuse this intercooler. Maybe upgrade to another intercooler, but for now I'm going to keep this intercooler. It's working just fine. I do have an issue with this box that I need to order a new one for the intake. I need a new intake box. Pretty much that's the damage we have here. Otherwise, everything else looks intact. I do see a little bit of grease underneath, but that grease I'm 100% sure is because of the radiator that got damaged. Let me take out this bar and see what else we can take out for this episode. All right, I'm gonna make my life easier, taking out this crash bar, this entire one, taking it out. This way, it makes my life easier than whatever I was trying to do. And there we have it. This bar, this entire bar is sold about, I already looked it up, it's about $400, this one. All right, now we have left with the radiator and the condenser. So let's work our way to remove this radiator, and we should assess what happened behind the radiator. Otherwise, this is where we are. Let's take the radiator out.